I just got in these non-woven fabric bags. They actually have a 10 pack, so they come just folded nicely and neatly like this, which is really great for storage because when you're not using them, you can just kind of set them together and it won't take up much space. They have 5 of the 5-gallon and 5 of the 10-gallon. So I love that it's different size options. The brand actually had sent these for me to test out. I haven't had a chance to like actually put them to the test yet, but I was just kind of checking the size. And so far, some things that I think I'm gonna put in the 5-gallon is like strawberries. I really want to grow strawberries. And then for the 10-gallon, you could put things like lemons, limes, potatoes, kind of like those larger items. They're nice. They're really sturdy. I put this like dead plant in here to see because it's pretty heavy to make sure it could hold, and it does. So you can actually put the soil just right on in there, which is nice. The fabric piece is nice because it'll just drain throughout it. So if you put too much water in, it'll just drain right through like the holes, and then also the fabric itself has good temperature control. And just a lot of great things. I love that they're reusable, and again, they're collapsible. So this is what they look like when they're collapsed. So overall, I think they're gonna be great. Also easy to transport because of the handles that it has too.